reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear. Just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You would never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You would never see me. My energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel. I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. You gon' die if you try. You just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side. You will never see me coming. I just wanna stay bad, stay mad, shit on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back, I'll be swinging on till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact, give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. One rock star, this life gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up. This life, I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got one, so you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium cat. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
ویدیو رفاقتی خیلی خوب. بیا.
بابا روی این خط آبه به هم برسید. یه مشتم بزنید. یا ابوالفضل
حال مفت گیر میادن.
ببینم چه موهایی.
آقا کسی هم آقا موتور سنگی بابا دیگه اینجا جا
فیلم شما چی؟ فکر کردم فیلم رو
این هنو مورد غضب دانیا واقع نشده.
آره مبارک باشه.